Hello YouTubers, it's me, Mad About Fly here, back for another video. You know last time that I said that I'll get a Herpa snap fit? It was that model. If you haven't seen this, then please type in Herpa, H-E-R-P-A, a snap fit, and then Emirates A380. That is my last model I got. Now I got a Qantas a380. I'm about to open it. I bought this yesterday and I do not know, I have not even opened this yet. And again, it comes in a packaging like this. There's sellotape on that I need to take off. There, the parts are going everywhere, so I quickly build this rolls on camera. You probably always see in darkness. I'd like to apologise for that. I'll promise in my next videos, hopefully I'll be able to record, see less of this and more light. This is the model all built up. As you can see, it says Qantas, Spear of Australia, and the registration is Victor Hotel / Oscar Quebec Alpha, and it said Airbus A380. So it's got the quad engines. And it's got a printed base that says Qantas A380 on there. And it's got the Australian flag up there like there. If it will focus, yep. And it's got the big ringlets, and when I compare this with this one, they are both the same size. So, hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this coming your way in the near future, and I'll see you in the next video.